Good morning, everyone. Now I'm going to the Taste of Cayman. It's another year. Last year we've been there, and then this year again. So this could be a fun year again. So let's see. I can say that we can win, but I try my best to do it this time. All right. Now I'm traveling. Now I'm still at the resort, the Wyndham. Now I'm traveling to here until Cayman to Cayman Bay. So let's begin here, then going to Cayman Bay. So again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG and my Facebook page, and then that's it. And then now we travel, so I bring all the bags whenever I can bring that needed for the competition. I just do my mise en place to make it ready. So let's go. So we are inside right now. I'm at the venue already over here at Cayman Bay. So look at this, still in the making right now.
Yo, what I not go out this morning?
The weather is cloudy, so I don't know if this tonight is gonna be okay, but we'll see. I don't know. See. Here, the stage, the concert over there. Yeah. So. Ano yung ano niyo?
MD1 Food Hub po. MD1 Food Hub po. Please come and join us here sa Taste of Cayman. Maraming salamat po. Support Filipino product, support local businesses.
Thank you, sir. Yan sila.
Ready ka na ba, kuya?
Ha?
MD1 Food Hub.
Oh.
Taste. The Filipino taste.
Good. So, mayroong coconut dito, may lime, local lime, di ba? Key lime.
Opo, alamansi yan, alamansi.
Dito ka mag dito ka mag ano?
Pag-iwan, hindi po, display lang po yan.
Gulat ako. Ginulat.
Alam mo ito, decor. Kailangan may decor na yan.
Oh.
Parang Barrio Fiesta yung dating namin.
Kaya. Dapat kamayan.
Kamayan. Let's go. Kasama kayo. Street food. Nandito tayo suka, homemade suka. Meron kami atsara. The best on the island. The best barbecue in the island. MD1.
Thank you, sir. I'm back at the venue right now. Let me check if I forgot something. Oh yeah, this is Cayman Bay down here. This is the Bay area. Right.
Alright, so on this side we're doing ribeye as well. This one's prime grade 30-day dry age. So a little bit of funk, a little bit of flavor. How many did they give you any dry age? Dry prime grade. A little bit of toasted sourdough, lightly toasted, cilantro chimichurri. So we flip the ratios, more cilantro, less parsley.
Alright, David Sasha. Let's hear it for Natasha. Stay to the side. Look devastating, darling.
Thank you.
So, 7 Platinum's Road, guys. It was the oldest distillery in Cayman, founded in 2007. Distilled underwater. Barrels gently rocking in the Caribbean Sea. One of the partners at 7 Platinum Rum, Mr. Nelson Felton, if it wasn't for his dad, I wouldn't be here. He gave me my first job in the Cayman Islands. I came back in 2010.
now it's done, so I'm going home. I'm not lucky tonight, so next year again, hopefully. I don't know, so we'll see. I see you next year again, and please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, my IG, and my Facebook page, the Naked Mixology. And thank you so much. I see you again next year. All right, thank you.